Oh, these are so much fun. Look at these first ones. They're knits. And they're knits that stretch in both directions. So when you talk about that new top that we did, this would be fabulous. Look at that. I don't even know if it's the front side or the back side. But if the new top, the little 124 that we did, Kellen's Twist, that would just be adorable. And these are all $14.99, and I paid more than that for this. But anyway, I thought I'd give you all a great deal. It's a perfect fabric. This one would be wonderful for that knit sheath. Look at that. This is $14.99 a yard. 2 yards later, oh my gosh, you'd have such a unique, look at that. It has stretch in both directions. So you could put that border either way. You could put it on a panel and go up. Oh, just fun. Just fun. 100% cotton. This is a woven fabric. It's beautiful, reversible, lovely piece of fabric. We have a lightweight, this is blouse weight cotton, 100%. Isn't that pretty? It's poppies. Acris did a whole thing on poppies this year in different colors. It's beautiful. And I put in this green denim. This is 100% cotton. It's a non-stretch. It is gorgeous. 100% cotton, green, non-stretch denim. We're always looking for colored denim, so when I saw that for $14.99, that's a giveaway. And then this lovely little print to go with. Thought this would be great for a little shirt. Just a real pretty little shirt. This is 100% cotton also. It's got a little bit of stretch, but I think it's mainly a woven. But it's just a perfect combo. Oh, just way too much fun. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns. Again, today and tomorrow, $14.99.